Little Wave is a unique program at Fort Myers High School. It prepares high school students interested in the education field through hands-on work with preschoolers. At this on-site preschool, high schoolers are creating lesson plans, demonstrating professionalism, and teaching practice.
So you have to take a early childhood class your first year, and that's more of like diving into the textbooks and getting your certification to be able to teach the kids. And then your second year you get to teach lessons, come up with lesson plans, learn how to make lesson plans.
Every quarter, the students focus on different subjects. This day, they had planned PE activities for the preschoolers.
I just love seeing the little kids just grow their mind and just to hang out with them, and they're so fun to teach and just really enjoyable.
Coming in here every day is probably my favorite part of the day. That's why I like having it in the mornings, because if I'm not having the best day in the morning, I come in here and it makes my day 10 times better.
What is your favorite part about coming to school?
The outside.
What's your favorite
Snack.
face?
Cars.
Just seeing their smiles every day just makes your day.
The Little Wave program has been in existence since the early 1970s, and it benefits both the preschool child and the high school student. Everyone looks forward to class where learning is made fun. Riley Spicker, Lee Schools TV.